Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see the title of analyzing multi-button matching on compressed HTTP traffic using accuracy algorithm. In nowadays, HTTP traffic is a common thing because of ZZ protocol. The HTTP uses a protocol for ZZ protocol for compressing the data which is sent over the network. Most security tools do not deal with the compressed traffic, which becomes more and more common in HTTP. The one of the fundamental technique which is used today by the network security tool is to detect the malicious activities is signature based detection. The HTTP protocol also uses the same signature based detection tool with ZZip compression, which first requires we have to decompose the compressed data and then we have performed the multi-button matching task. This leads to take more time to decompress and multi-button matching. To avoid the additional timing to taken for decompressing the data, we are going for the accuracy based algorithm. The accuracy based also used to compress the HTTP pages or web pages, anything. With the help of that, the compressed page will be matched in a compressed data itself. That is the main thing behind the accuracy pattern matching algorithm. Here the patterns are matched in a compressed state, where here we are not need to decompress the compressed data. Let me see the data flow of this process. Here the input for the process is HTML file. We are getting the HTML file from the web. The input is given by the user and it will be retrieved from the web. By using the LZ77 compression, we are going to compress the data first. The LZ77 compression scheme is a fast and effective scheme for data compression. The most important thing for the compression is used to reduce the bandwidth usage. Then the encrypted data will be given to the data encoding. The data encoding is not using Huffman encoding scheme. Here the Huffman encoding scheme is to convert the character into the binary code format. After that, the encoding is completed. We have to generate the pattern generation. Here the pattern is nothing but we have to choose the most important item or randomly selected item for matching the whether it is present in or not, like that. After the pattern generation from the file, we have to match the patterns. This is called as multi-pattern matching. The pattern matching is done in the compressed state itself. Here we are not going to decompress the compressed data. The compressed matching is used to effective way and reduces the time for the pattern matching. Then the optimized pattern matching is used to reduce the time delay for pattern matching with the accuracy algorithm. Then performance solution for existing and performance is shown. This is our data flow of the process. Now we are going to see the running procedure of this process. First we have to choose the packet request.java and right click it, click run file. This is our main window to running the process. Here we are going to enter the URL. What is the page you are required from the web. I am going to enter the URL as www.java2s.com. While I am clicking the go button, this will be returned from the web. But now clicking the go button, then the page will be returned. Here the page will be saved in a HTML format. The HTML tags are this. Here we are going to, the next process is to compress the data into by using a LZ77 compression. Then click the content button, it will show the another form. Then retrieve the content. Here we are going to remove the tags on the HTML page. Here the tag will be removed, only the data will be gathered. Because why I am going to remove the tag means the tag will be repeated once and the additional character will be not supported in the LZ77 compression. For that only we have to remove the HTML tags, that means angle braces. Then click the compression button. Here we are going to compress the file. For that first you have to convert the data into the binary file. The binary file is nothing but to separate the characters and stored into the another file. With the help of the character only we have to compress the data. Then click the listen sum compression button. Then this is our compressed scheme. The listen sum scheme is nothing but here we are taking a one word. In that word, if a present in a 3 times means, then was a single word is written and how many times it presents and where it presents. That will be information in a angle basis. Here the D is presented at 2 times and E is presented at 7 times. C is presented as 4 times. This is our LZ concern compression scheme. The compression scheme is used to reduce the bandwidth usage and quick transmission of packets. Then click encoding button. Here we are going to encode the given data. The encoding scheme is used by the Huffman encoding scheme. Here this is the value and this is the binary value encoding value and this is the calculation for the encoding scheme. After that we have to dynamically generate the input file, that means pattern matching file. Then choose the input. While I am retrieving the data from the net and make the pre-processing for that, make the compression for that file, the search word will be automatically generated. The search word will automatically generated and stored in a D: file output. D: output file, output file. File output, and in that there is a word called a search word. This is our search word to going to match with the HTML page, HTML compressed page. Then click this button, click this page text file and click open. Then process to compression. Then we have to compress the text search file also. Then we have to click a encode button for encoding scheme and compression completed. Here the compression is completed. Then we have to perform the pattern matching. Here the pattern matching is the search count is 686. The pattern is matched to the original given HTML page. Then the patched pattern is a 66 counts. Then these are all the files patched with the patterns, that means HTML file. Here the first pattern is equivalent, something like that. Here the accuracy search reading is HTML first, that is matched in a 4 times. Then likewise this is our 86 to 60 means this is 86 denotes the starting character and 90 denotes the ending character. This is our pattern matching scheme, and pattern matching is completed within a fractions of second. Then optimized pattern matching, then optimized result. Then this is our accuracy pattern matching algorithm. This is our optimized accuracy pattern matching algorithm. Then for the evaluation gap for this is shown like this. This is the normal accuracy algorithm. This is our optimizing accuracy algorithm. Here the project is mainly going to use it for to reduce the transmission time while checking whether the page is a virus or not. On that we have to use this project. Thanks for watching.